There's a really interesting-looking shell on the other side of the beach.
Really?
Yeah. Check it out for yourself.
Ah!
That'll teach him. You appear to have fallen down a deep hole. However could that have happened? Thanks for looking after my stuff.
What about my shells and things?
Oh, yeah. Hang on. Now, Simon, that wouldn't be a very nice thing to do now, would it? That widow deserves to suffer. Now's your chance to really get your own back. Simon wouldn't do that. He's a nice boy at heart. What do you know, wet pants? Let's put the little git in intensive care.
Ow!
Remember, pal, don't mess with the big boys.